Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For a better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about a summary of the async task class. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. First, the onPreExecute is used to set up the task. It's called before the background task begins and runs on the main event thread. Second, doInBackground method runs in the background thread. It runs immediately after onPreExecute. You can specify what type of parameters it has and what its return type is. Third, onProgressUpdate is used to display progress. It runs in the main event thread when the doInBackground method calls publishProgress. Fourth, onPostExecute is used to display the task outcome to the user when doInBackground has finished. It runs in the main event thread. It takes the return value of doInBackground as a parameter. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.